This is the Eaton radio that I have, and on the back of it, this says it's FRX3. So if you open it up, it says EFRX3150, and right in here is where I had this battery plugged in, right here. And I'm going to show you how to diagnose if the battery is bad. Obviously, if it doesn't work, you know, chances are it could be the battery, but I'm going to show you how to confirm. Right on this battery here, you'll see 3.6 volts. And on this connection right here, you'll see a positive and negative terminal that connects to black, which is negative on the wire, and red, which is positive. So if I were to take this multimeter here, which is very easy to use, you don't even have to set anything on it. It's just set on auto. Don't be discouraged by this multimeter. It is so easy to use. I'm going to show you. All you do is literally you turn it on. And it tells you it's on auto. You don't have to set anything on this. Okay. So we take and we go over to our battery here, and just a reminder, it says right on the battery to the right there, it says 3.6 volts. So we're going to go over here to the battery. We've got, again, just to remind you, we have the red cable, which is positive, and the black cable, which is negative. So we're going to take the red lead and the black lead and simply connect them up to those terminals. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to zoom in. So right on this connector here, I'm going to go right in on positive and right in on the negative. And you're going to see that the voltage shows up as 1.1 volts, which is way less than 3.6 volts. So we know that this battery is dead. So now let me show you a comparison on a known good battery. So this is the replacement battery. And we can see here 3.6 volts. And you just want to make sure that if you're getting a replacement battery, that the plug looks the same, and oriented on the plug, you want to make sure that the shape is the same of the plug and the terminals connect to the same side of the shape. So for example, these two plugs are the same shape, and they both have red going into that side and black going into that side. It is so ridiculously easy to purchase the wrong replacement battery. So you have to just make sure of the shape and where the red wire goes into that shape and where the black wire goes into that shape. So we'll take this terminal, do the same thing. Going into red, going into red, and going into black. Boom! Look at how that is higher than 3.6. So we know that this battery is good. So now I know this battery is good, we'll reinstall it. Right here on this corner, that's where I unplugged it. We're going to plug it back in. Wire's a little bit stiff here. There we go. And look at that, it turns right on, and you can see the status is full. So the behavior before is that not only would it take unlimited time, it would continuously be in a charging state. It would quickly drain. So this battery was definitely, in fact, dead. So go ahead and let me know if you liked this video by dropping a like. And I'll leave some links in the description below for the replacement battery of this Eaton radio, along with the multimeter I used. This multimeter really is very easy to use. For my use case, I never really set it on a manual setting. Auto does everything that I need. So, thanks for watching.